Chevrolet just revealed pricing for the 2027 Corvette Stingray, which is now the most affordable 200-mile-per-hour car following a General Motors validated top speed run. The 2027 Stingray Coupe starts at $73,495 for the 1LT trim, while the power-folding Stingray convertible costs $80,495. That's a far cry from the C8 Corvette's original 2020 model year MSRP of $59,995, but Chevrolet has made some notable improvements to the car in that time. The biggest change for the 2027 model year comes behind the cockpit, where the original 6.2-liter LT2 V8 has been replaced by a new 6.7-liter LS6 engine. Output increases from 490 horsepower, 495 horsepower with the Z51 package, and 465 pound-feet of torque, 470 with Z51, to 535 horsepower and 520 lb-ft, respectively. This same engine is also found in the revived Corvette Grand Sport and the newly introduced Grand Sport X, where it adds a front e-axle for a total of 721 horsepower. We knew the LS6 engine would improve the Stingray's performance figures, but now Chevy has revealed just how much quicker the 2027 model is compared to its predecessor. The top speed has improved from 194 to over 200 miles per hour. Back in the C6 generation, the ZR1 was the first factory Corvette to break 200, and now a base Stingray has done it just 2 generations later. Chevy says the 200 miles per hour top speed is possible thanks to the Stingray's improved power and narrow body, which produces less drag versus a wide-bodied Z06 or ZR1. Along with the top speed, the new engine helps the Stingray accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.8 seconds, an improvement of 1/10 over the previous C51 package car. Chevy says it will run an 11-second quarter-mile with a 124 miles per hour trap speed, which is an improvement of around 2/10 with a gain of around 2 mph at the finish line. That's all power, Small Block Assistant Chief Engineer Mike Kosaba explained. The record really shows the strength of the LS6, an engine that we set out to create a unique place in the Corvette lineup.